Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got some Harusame that showed up in a Zenpop box. You can go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code for a discount. I can't remember which one it is. It's in the title, but I know it's got Yuzu. So, that is what we got. So, interesting day today. It continues, folks. They are still attempting to pick a new House Majority Leader. And there has been some movement in that whole to-do. There were a bunch of... Well, here, let me get this going, and then I'll let our political correspondent take care of that business. He's a funny guy, folks. I don't know. Alright, there we are. Lid. And 3 minutes. Starting. Put this over here for now. Ooh, that's hot. Sometimes you take the labels off of things, and that really does something, folks. I don't know. But yeah, we have our political correspondent. This is Mr. Frog. Hello, how is everybody doing today? Pretty good. You know, it looks like this whole thing might be over soon. Oh, don't count on it. Yeah, so they did manage to flip a few of the votes over. God only knows what he promised them for that, but yeah, he did. He got a few. So yeah, now I don't think it's gonna go through. I think these last people are going to be serious holdouts, and we might get to like a 14th or 15th vote. That's crazy, dude. What do you think? I mean, are we all losing our minds now? Yeah, you know, it's just kind of the thing to do. And, but yeah, that's about it. There's really not much else going on in the world right now. There are no more people or things or hunger. It's just all about these silly people doing silly things. So, yeah. Yeah, pretty much. That's all the news there is. Oh, and I'd like to say I'd like to offer my full support to the poor lady who has to read all these names over and over. What? 12 times already? 12 times 400? Yeah. Yeah. Alright, well, thank you for your report. That's really insightful and interesting, and probably not so much for the people you're talking to, because they're, it's May. It's May. I thought it was January. It is January for us, but for them it's May. Oh. So yeah, they would know this already. You're giving them old news. Well, what the hell's that all about? Well, I've done a lot of reviews, so I'm like way ahead. Oh. Oh. Alright, well, you know. I guess there's really no point in me telling you things then. No, really there isn't. I mean, they could look it up. Hmm. Okay, well. God, I just hate everything. Everything. I hate everything. No, don't get all mad, dude. Oh, it's always just all this frustration that I just have inside, and I just can't let it go. I can't. It's... Well, there's your alarm, so I'm out of here. Bye. So there you go, our political correspondent having a hissy fit on the show. But that's okay, it's his way. Mr. Frog is a frog, and that's just... Yeah, I'm sure a lot of people are like, why do you even talk about anything that's current when your show is so recorded so far in time ahead? But I guess it's kind of like a way back machine, like way back 4 or 5 months machine. Pretty soon, if I keep going at this rate of reviewing, I'll end up with like really far ahead, which is fine with me. I kind of like that, because sooner or later I'll just go, I'm just going to chill on the reviewing for a while and let it pile up, and then I can get back to reviewing a ton again. But I'm like, what, 150 reviews ahead of myself, so... But yeah, I need to get back to doing more top 10 lists. I think that'll shrink it down. I could like post 2 reviews a day. I don't know. Cheers. So one thing to note, this whole thing is, what does it say? Only 73 calories. But as you can see, there's really not a lot going on here. Well, let's add a little. Ooh, look at that. Kind of fishy. Yeah, it tastes kind of like a lemony. It tastes kind of like tilapia in a way, like how you would season your tilapia. It's not bad. It's not as good as the other whatevers I've had recently. Okay, which did I want? I want to use that one for that, and I'll use this one for this. So here is our things and stuff. Pretty hard to see that Harusame. It's basically like an ultra thin rice noodle kind of thing. But I really don't. I wanted to get spring onion earlier, but I got so wrapped up watching that lady say names over and over that I just kind of screwed that pooch. So, what are we gonna throw in here? It doesn't really look like much, does it? There's that. A little seed. I don't even have spring onion, God. But it's Friday. It's fun, funky Friday here, ladies and gentlemen. And the thing is, if I get all that stuff right now, it's not going to make a lot of sense, because tomorrow is Saturday, then it's Sunday and Monday. And I will need to get some mung bean sprouts, but I don't know. Friday is definitely not my day to go get produce. There's a look to it now. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, go for it, Rotato. Do your thing. All right, so the next one, I don't know if you noticed that, but sometimes when I turn the phone, all of a sudden the light goes on it. I don't really dig that. But anyways, the next one I'm gonna do is something kind of weird. Maybe, yeah, should I do that? I'll do that one then. So this was found at Fred Meyer. This is Wicked Foods Spicy Coconut and Rice Noodles, mild heat. Noodles in a fragrant coconut, ginger, lime, and chili broth with mushrooms and cilantro. And I don't know, this looks like one of the naked ones. The naked noodles. Yeah, we'll see. This has been Oz the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every freaking day. Have a good one, and bye-bye.